Hello peers, my name is Grace Concepcion. I currently work at Pinecrest Academy North as a pre-K teacher. I plan to graduate in the next few years with my elementary education degree. I'm taking this course because it's going to be extremely helpful when it comes to teaching students that are from different backgrounds, speak different first languages, and especially living in South Florida where we have a lot of Spanish speakers. Something interesting that my family and I do is that we go camping a lot. We do a lot of outdoors things. So I enjoy being outside a lot. To jump right into our assignment for this week, some of the things that I took notes on and that I've learned from our material as well as our videos is that teachers must know where their students come from, their backgrounds, some of their home situation, because that can really affect on their performance in school. And they need to be able to provide a safe place for their students to learn and explore, because if the students don't feel safe, they'll be hesitant to open up and you might not see as much progress as you would like to. Next, must make sure that they put their students where they belong to ensure that their education is not jeopardized, because if the teacher's not familiar with the student's background, they might put them in a class that they're not supposed to be in, and it's going to jeopardize their education and their progress and everything that school's supposed to be. It's not going to be that for that student. Takeaway that I got from the material that we had for this week's assignment is that students are categorized in non-English and English speaking. And as soon as students are put into this category, non-English is seen lesser than English. So instead of taking it as a deficit, we should take it as an asset, because those students are more educated in another part. However, they still have the opportunity to learn English, which makes it even better because they'll end up being bilingual instead of only speaking one language. I found it interesting that the material discussed that massive changes need to be made in education, healthcare, housing, employment, and more, because the system sees families and students that come from different cultures as lesser and deficient. However, once we start being progressive with all these different systems, we might have the potential to see a domino effect for everything to actually be coming together and as one nation, because this nation publicizes that we accept all, but however, once they're here, they're not given the same benefits as the citizens that were originally from here.